Hey there, curious minds! Today, let's dive into a hot topic that's buzzing in the political world, SADC's recognition of Emerson Mnangagwa's leadership in Zimbabwe. Is the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, really turning a blind eye to the concerns of Zimbabweans? Or is there still hope for change? First, a quick rewind. Mnangagwa's 2023 election win was controversial to say the least. Critics, both in Zimbabwe and abroad, are furious. They accuse SADC of ignoring the election's dubious nature and Zimbabwe's ongoing issues under Mnangagwa's rule. People like Tendai Mapfumo and Pamela Magwitsi are even planning global protests to spotlight human rights violations. What's the big deal? Well, in a rare move, both SADC and the African Union questioned the legitimacy of the election last year. This criticism was a shocker, considering their usual stance. It's a sign of growing regional concern about Zimbabwe's political and economic meltdown. Critics argue that by letting Zimbabwe lead SADC, the organization is damaging its credibility and its commitment to democratic principles. They're urging SADC to reconsider and press Mnangagwa to respect human rights and govern responsibly. On the flip side, the Movement for Democratic Change, MDC, led by Douglas Mwanzora, sees a silver lining. They're using the upcoming SADC summit to push for essential electoral reforms. With Mnangagwa at the helm of SADC, Mwanzora believes it's the perfect moment to advocate for fair elections. What are they asking for? Reforms like allowing the diaspora to vote and establishing a genuinely independent Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, or ZEC. Mwanzora criticizes the current ZEC structure and its reliance on EU funding, calling for a truly impartial body. To make this happen, the MDC has revived the National Electoral Reform Agenda, NERA. It's a collaborative platform aimed at ensuring transparency in Zimbabwe's electoral process. So, is SADC supporting Mnangagwa's regime, or is there a glimmer of hope for change? The answer might lie in the actions of regional leaders and the persistent efforts of Zimbabwe's opposition. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's keep the conversation going. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into global politics. Catch you in the next one.